Just listen to this. Assuming we have a progression like C major 7th, D minor 7th, E minor 7th, F major 7th, G dominant 7th, A minor 7th, 2, B diminished 7th. It's hard. I should have used the cutaway guitar. We can generate one or several arpeggios for every chord in this sequence. This is a major 7th arpeggio, C major 7th. The chordal tones are Do, Mi, So, Ti. And then I can continue again. Do, Mi, So, Ti. So Do, Mi, So, Ti. I'm using straight fingering techniques and Do, Mi, So, Ti. You see? Ti, So, Mi. Do, oh, Ti, So, Mi, Do. Okay. But if I want it to be recurring, I mean, if I want the cycle to continue, then I have to add, and I get to Do, Mi, So, Ti in 2 octaves. Do, Mi, So, Ti. Then I add a Do to it again. So Do, Mi, So, Ti, Do, Mi, So, Ti, Do, Ti, So, Mi, Do, Ti, So, Mi, Do, Mi, So, Ti, Do, Ti. And so on and so forth. So slowly, this is it. Do, Mi, So, Ti, Do, Mi, So, Ti, Do, Ti, So, Mi, Do, Ti, So, Mi, Do. The fingering is very important. 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. Then I start with 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1. This arpeggio can take me to 1, it can take me to 2, it can take me to 3, it can take me to 4, 5, and any other chord. So assuming it's taking me to 2, like a C major 7th to a D minor. Instead of going to this, I come to there. So then I form the chord D minor 7th. So and here too, assuming I want to continue from a D minor to E minor, there's also an arpeggio for it. So slowly, it's Re, Fa, La, Do. Then in 2 octaves, Re, Fa, La, Do, Re, Do, La, Fa, Re, Do, La, Fa, Re. Amazing. So beautiful, right? So from here, this shape on the D minor is similar to it's the same thing you're going to have on E minor and on A. A minor 7. So I'm not going to waste time teaching you. The 1 and then 4 also have the same shapes, so same patterns. So on the 4 is the same chord, so I can have the same shape. Did you see it? And when you come to 5, it's different. 1, oh come on. Not, it's hard because this is not cut away. 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 4. The 6 has the same pattern as 2 and 3. So the 7th one will be this. I usually would like to cite examples with known songs. Oh Lord my God, oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder, considering all, the words that hand has made. I see the star, I hear the rolling thunder. That part throughout, oh, that part throughout, and I diminish. Universe display, dancing my soul, my Savior Lord today. How great thou art, how great thou art, dancing my soul, my Savior Lord today. How great thou art, how great thou art. Awesome. This is not nice. This is how to apply it. You can do these exercises daily. I mean, that helps you to navigate smoothly on the board without any problem. George Ankoma Mensah. You know me popularly as Georgespratz. And in case you're looking for further studies, don't hesitate to pick the numbers on the screen and give me a call. We are going to do it. Yes, don't waste time. Yes, let's do it. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced student, it's possible. We are doing it. People are learning and they are playing. Alright? See you again and soon.